Develop process. Adopt, animate, organize images and sounds in layers and frames to create 2D animation. Adopt Animate works mainly with traditional animation that is frame by frame. It allows you to divide each frame into layers and draw on a primarily vector basis. The creators of the application wanted to facilitate the creation of animation. It's also published animation animated short films and animation series among others. Labeled Adobe Animate files, which generally have the SWF file extension may appear on a web page. I like this application because the animation can be exported in different video formats: AV, MOV, MP4.